Hey friends, if you encounter high CPU usage by IAStorDataSvc on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So before anything else, just uninstall any third-party antivirus because this is the main cause of interference with the specific service. People are suggesting deleting the service. That's not what I suggest. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select installed apps in the right pane. Okay, now find the third party antivirus, click on the three dots associated with it and uninstall it. The next one is to update Windows. So we will return to the same settings menu and we will go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select check for updates in the right pane and let it update completely. Then go to advanced options, go to optional updates and install any optional updates that are available. So the optional updates will be used to update the drivers, and once the drivers are updated, Windows is updated and third-party antiviruses are removed. Basically, we have isolated all the main causes behind the issue and it should work after that. No need to disable the service. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.